In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on GoHighLevel. So from there, what you can do is you can just head over to their website, which is GoHighLevel.com. From there, you should be able to see this. So once you have seen this, you can either log into their application if you already have an account, or if not, you can click on this 14-day free trial in order to sign up for one and get a 14-day trial of their services. So since I already have an account, I'll just head over and log in. Once you have logged in, you should be able to see in here your actual dashboard or launchpad. So if you want to create a landing page, it's actually under the sites. So you can see in here your left sidebar. Click over right here to the sites option. Now in here you can see in here funnels, websites, and the likes. In this case, let's choose in here this website option. Or you can also choose from blogs, WordPress, client portals, and the likes. In my case, I'll just choose website option. From in there, head over and click on this new website, and you can start from blank or you can create from templates. So on my case, I'll head over and choose in here a blank template, and then let's just name this landing page. Click on this create, and then from in there, just wait for this to successfully load your actual GoHighLevel editor. So here is our landing page. Click onto this add new page, then name this. Let's name this landing page again. And put right here the path if you want, as well as the URL. Click on this create new page once you're done. And then from in there, you should be able to see this website, and we have in here our landing page. You can use existing templates or create from blank. If you do choose this existing, you can choose in here the website and choose in here the website where it will be added. You can add it onto the newly created website or into the previously created website. I'll just add it to this new one, and then you can import an existing funnel or website page into this. Alternatively, you can also create from blank just like this one, and then this will open the editor. Now, typically a landing page has some sort of form collector that will get the visitor's email if they try to visit. So in this case, you can add in here the element for that. You can click on this plus icons, and in here you can see some pre-built sections as well. You can see in here facts as well as call to action. You can click on this one and just choose in here which one you want. I'll head over and then just use this and add it right here. And as you can see, you can instantly add in here a landing page for yourself and for your actual website. So from there, head over and click on publish right here or save option once you're done. So that's how you create a landing page on GoHighLevel. Hope we helped.